In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and transfer a Google Ads campaign to another account, a skill that's essential for digital marketers managing multiple accounts. Whether you're transitioning campaigns to a new client account or simply rearranging your advertising efforts, this process will ensure a seamless transfer of your valuable data. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your starting point for managing all of your campaigns. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. This is where all your campaigns are stored, so it's important that you're signed in to the right account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is the hub where you can see an overview of your account, including all your active and paused campaigns. From here, navigate to the Campaigns tab. You'll typically find this in the left-hand menu. Clicking on campaigns will take you to a page where you can see a list of all the campaigns you've created under this account. Now, select the campaign that you want to copy and transfer. It's crucial to ensure you're working with the correct campaign to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've confirmed, click on the campaign name. This will open the campaign where you can make any necessary edits or changes before copying. With your campaign opened, look for the edit option. This usually appears as a button or within a drop-down menu at the top of your campaign dashboard. Clicking edit will reveal several options. Next, you want to click on the copy option. This action will copy all the details of your selected campaign, preparing it for transfer to a different account. And there you have it. You've copied your Google Ads campaign. Although we're focusing on the copying process in this video, moving forward, you can paste the campaign into a new account. Simply log into the target Google Ads account where you want the campaign transferred, go to the campaign section, and paste the copied campaign. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your advertising strategies across different accounts, saving time and ensuring consistency in your campaigns. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more detailed how-to videos just like this one. Happy advertising!